Part 2 ng Would You Rather. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. Questions. Ready na ba kayo, guys? So, tanungin natin ang ating mahal na asawa. No? Kung ano ang magiging sagot niya dito sa Would You Rather questions. Let's start with number 1. Daddy, would you rather share a toothbrush with me or wear my clothes for a whole day? Damit ko. Or iisang toothbrush lang tayo.
Isang toothbrush na lang.
Talaga ba?
Oo, no?
Adiri. Bakit?
Kasi naman wear your clothes all day. Eh, paano ba kailangan lumabas?
Okay, pwede.
At least yung toothbrush lang, pwede mo hugasan. Yung bandihan mo, ipapat mo sa merienda.
Sabunan mo, di ba? Okay. Okay, next. Okay pa na itong mga tanong na tanong. Okay. Ano ko na pipili nila? Would you rather let me control the television for a month or do all the cooking for a week?
Do all the cooking for a week. Wala naman tayong TV eh.
Sabi ko na nga eh. May TV tayo, hindi na ginagamit.
Eh, wala kaya nga. Wala
Okay.
ginagamit. Cooking.
Do all the... Ay, wala namang choice. Ayun. Grow old with you. Oh, ano? Okay. Next, number 3 question. Would you rather forget our anniversary or forget my birthday? Ayusin mo yung sagot mo. Ayusin mo yung sagot mo.
Hirap naman yan. Both na lang.
Yan, ganyan daw yung sagot. Muntik ka na doon, muntik ka na doon. Muntik na siya doon.
Okay.
Vote daw, guys.
Bakit kung anniversary sinabi ko?
Talaga. Maiinis ako. Kalimutan mo birthday ko? Alibasa, sabi niya before, birthday is just an ordinary day. Oh. Talaga ba?
Both na lang.
Good that. Save. Okay, next. Would you rather dance with me in public or sing to me in public?
Dance